Hi, this is Bob from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff. And if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, why don't you hit that subscribe and bell button so we can inform you of all of our newest upcoming videos. Today, I'm going to talk about the various webcams in the different Panasonic Toughbook models, so stay tuned. Hi. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Today I'm going to talk about the webcams and the different kinds of Panasonic Toughbooks that we have for sale on the website. I have the older CF-53, Panasonic Toughbook CF-53. I have the newer, but still not the newest, but the Panasonic Toughbook CF-54, as well as the fully rugged CF-19 and the newer CF-20, as well as the tried and true Panasonic Toughbook CF-31. So recently I've gotten a lot of questions, phone calls regarding webcams due to the current environment. And I get all these questions, you know, what kind of machine can I buy with a webcam? So here's the deal. On the Panasonic Toughbook 53, the webcam is in the traditional above the screen location. It has a microphone, so you're able to use it with your Zoom meetings or anything like that. So if you find a CF-53 with a webcam, it's going to work for you in that particular instance. When we're talking about the Panasonic Toughbook CF-54, again, this unit has it in the traditional position up here. It has a microphone, so you're able to talk and do your Zoom meetings as well. So these two units would work great for those types of situations. Now, let me talk a little bit about the fully rugged versions of the Panasonic Toughbook and the webcams that go in those. The Panasonic Toughbook CF-31 has a webcam that you can install and we can sell it to you. It is located right here in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see the little spot right here where it's at. The downside on the 31 is that there is no microphone. So you would have to have an external microphone on this Panasonic if you were to do Zoom meetings with audio and video. So that is one of the questions that we've received multiple times is, where's the microphone on this unit? And sad news, it does not have a microphone. Now, on the other side of the coin, the CF-19 has the same kind of problem, but even has a bigger problem in that whenever you open up the CF-19, so the CF-19 has even a bigger problem. When you open up the CF-19, there's no webcam in the traditional location as you would think. The webcam on the CF-19 is located on the bottom and takes up one of the memory slots. To me, that's a downside of this unit. It's a negative in that you can only put a maximum of 8 gig of RAM in here then. In addition to that, there's no microphone. So this was strictly used to take pictures of, you know, situations that you might be in. It wasn't designed for a Zoom meeting type situation. So in my opinion, the CF-19, oh, and also in the CF-19, if you wanted the webcam, you needed to order it when this unit was being built brand new. You can't just add the webcam to a CF-19 after the fact. So that's on the CF-19. On the CF-20 is pretty cool. The CF-20, maybe. So the CF-20, the 20 has actually a few webcams. It has a webcam in the traditional location. It also has audio. So you're able to do your Zoom meetings and whatnot with this ruggedized laptop. It's one of the only ruggedized versions of their line of laptops that you can do audio and video at the same time. In addition, it has the video camera that's on the back of the screen as well. So you could take this, you could remove it from its base, walk around with it and do things like that. That's on the Panasonic Toughbook CF-20. So So if you're buying a Toughbook to do Zoom meetings or one of the versions of Zoom, you would use either a CF-53, a CF-54, or a CF-20. We have all these in stock on our website. Well, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to leave those comments at the bottom. Let me know what you think. Hey, and if you have anything to add to this webcam video, please leave it in the comments. I'll happily address it. Until next time, take care.